Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a social media feed in Weebly. This is a fantastic way to showcase your latest social posts directly on your website, keeping your content fresh and engaging for visitors without any manual updates. First, you'll want to head over to Weebly.com and log into your Weebly account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your websites and settings. Now take a look at the left menu where you'll see an option labeled Website. Click on it, and beneath that, you'll find Edit Site. Go ahead and click Edit Site to proceed to the next step. You'll now see a list of all the websites you've created with Weebly. Choose the specific website where you want to add your social media feed. Once you've selected it, look over to the right side of the screen and click the Edit button. This will open up the website editor where you can make all your customizations. Before we move forward, there's one important thing you need to have ready: the embedded code for your social media feed. This code is typically provided by social media aggregator tools or platforms that compile your social posts into a feed widget. If you already have this code ready, perfect. If not, you'll need to generate it from your chosen social media feed tool before continuing. Assuming you have your embedded code ready, let's continue. On the editor page, you'll notice a top menu. Make sure you're on the Build tab, as this is where all the elements and building blocks for your site are located. Next, direct your attention to the left side menu where you'll find various elements you can add to your website. Look for an option called Embed Code. If you don't immediately see it in the list, simply click Show All Elements to expand the full menu and reveal all available options. Once you've located the Embed Code element, the process becomes really simple. Just click and drag it into the section of your website where you want the social media feed to appear. You can position it anywhere that fits your design. After you've placed the embed code element on your page, click on it to activate it. You'll see an option that says Edit Custom HTML. Click on that and a text box will appear. This is where you'll paste the embedded code you prepared earlier. Simply paste it into the box and your social media feed will be integrated into your website. And that's it. You've successfully added a live social media feed to your Weebly site, allowing your visitors to see your latest posts without ever leaving your page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.